What's up, guys? Welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto, guys. Market update April 28, 2022. Guys, at the point of recording this video, we have a green day in the market. Yesterday was a very bloody day. You can see it right now on the weekly. The crypto market is actually not doing very well. We'll be talking about that and more in this video, guys. We'll be taking a look at the top 10 cryptocurrency by market cap, and then we'll be taking a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been somewhat of a mystery of late. I'll be telling you whether to buy or sell. We'll also be taking a look at the total crypto market sentiment. We'll be taking a look at the top losers and the top gainers of the day. And guys, we'll be talking about Altseason. I know a lot of people following this channel have been looking forward to Altseason. We'll be talking about that and more. But first, guys, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Let's get down to business.
7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Kicking off today's video, guys, the top 10 cryptocurrency by market capitalization. We have Bitcoin still at number 1, and one Bitcoin is going for $39,300. Ethereum closely following Bitcoin, still at number 2. Ethereum is below 3,000. That $3,000 point has been a wonderful level for Ethereum to tell us whether we're heading the right direction or the market is dumping. Right now, the market is heading downwards. But we're talking about that and more when we're looking at Ethereum charts. Then we have Tether at number 3, BNB currently at number 4. BNB is the 4th largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, and over the last 24 hours, BNB has lost 0.53%. USDC is the 5th largest cryptocurrency, closely followed by Solana, which is still going for $98.91 for one Solana. We have XRP at number 7, going for $0.64 per XRP, which is a 1% decrease over the last 24 hours. And Terra Luna, Cardano, and Avax meet up the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. Guys, these figures change every day. You know, crypto, everything is moving every day. But let's focus on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the leader in the market, currently trading for $39,300. Guys, you can see right here we have 11% decrease in volume. So there was a lot of volume yesterday. Bitcoin actually touched that 8,000. A lot of people got scared. Bitcoin has just been in this washing machine motion for the last 2-3 months. Everybody be bullish when we're at 45,000, then we're down back to 32,000 or 34,000. People get bearish, but you can see that we are forming a pattern here. We're just going up and coming down. Some people call it a washing machine range of motion. We're just washing machine ourselves. That's what we did in this side from May till July. We were just ranging in this motion, but finally, guys, at some point in time in the nearest future, we are going to break out from this range, either to the upside violently, which I expect us to do, or to the downside violently, which I don't think we're going to do right now. I still think Bitcoin will dump, but I don't think right now. I think Bitcoin has to go for that retracement, this kind of version of retracement that will get people very bullish. I remember retracement in the market, everybody was happy, the bull run is back. Then we had this dip, people started losing hope. I believe that this retracement, the next time this kind of retracement will come, and this 702 retracement, I believe that the whole market will get super ultra bullish. Right now the market is in extreme fear. People are scared. What's happening to the market? Everything is going down. Everything has been going down since January, but at some point in time, guys, Bitcoin is going to crack above this $48,000. will go above 50,000, and people get very bullish. That's just the way crypto is. People are quick to switch sides as the price movements change. Now Ethereum, the 2nd largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, guys, is battling $3,000. You can see it has a 12% less volume than it had yesterday. We had a lot of people selling their Ethereum, thinking Ethereum is going to dump, but you can see right here, still with Bitcoin, just like Bitcoin, Ethereum has been in a washing machine range of motion, getting people very bullish, getting them very bearish, getting them very bullish, and at the same time, people that don't know how to trade this market have been getting liquidated. Sometimes in this market, you just have to sit on your hands and just allow the market do its work. Some people say the money they made, some people say the most money they made was when they sat down with their hands and do nothing. Because, guys, if you look over time, history has showed us that over time the market will do what the market will do, and the crypto market over time actually just trends upward. Now we'll have period of downward movement and all, but over time it trends upward. This is a Bitcoin chart from the inception of Bitcoin. After all the dip Bitcoin has always had, we have always trended upwards. Yes, at some point in time, the nearest future, this trend is going to change, but for now, I don't think that time is now. I still expect us to have higher prices before we finally dump. And guys, the sentiment in the market is actually trash. A lot of people are still in extreme fear. They are scared. I mean, Bitcoin is basically lower than where it was last year. At this point last year, Bitcoin was currently at 60,000, 62,000. Right now, the point of record of this video, April 28, 2022, guys. Bitcoin is currently trading at 39,000. People are in extreme fear. And exactly this point last month, guys, people are in great thinking, oh, the bull run is back, But right now, we're still enjoying the fear as it should be. But guys, this anything you know, this crypto market is when the participants in this market are fearful. That's when you want to be scooping some of the table, and when they start getting greedy, you really want to be selling some of the table. History has showed over time that every time that is the best time to sell is when the market is in greed or extreme greed, and when it was the best time to actually be accumulating is when the market is in extreme fear. Now, the top gainers and losers in the last 24 hours. In the last 24 hours, we had a mad pump in the market. It might not look like that, but because we had a dip yesterday, today's pump actually looked glorious. We had GMT at 17%, we have Secret at 14%. Those are one of the top gainers today. We have Graph at 12%, Convex Finance at 9%, Apecoin at 8%, and that makes the top 5 gainers in the top 100 coins in the last 24 hours. In the losers, we have Oasis Network, Helium, AR, Kitlin, and Near Protocol, and you can see even though they are losers on the chart, none of them has lost up to 5% in the last 24 hours because of the mad dip we had yesterday. So at the end of today, I expect all this to turn to green. I expect almost all the coins in the top 100 to actually be in green. Right now we have a large portion of them still in green, but all these coins in the loser section, I expect them to come to the gainer section at the end of today. Guys, if we're going to get Altseason, we need Bitcoin dominance to come below 39%, guys. Bitcoin dominance has to fall if we want those altcoins to go to the moon. It's not a good sign if you see Bitcoin dominance increasing in the market while Bitcoin is not actually pumping aggressively. It means the market is dumping, because when the market dumps, guys, Bitcoin doesn't dump as hard as the market, and that's why you see the Bitcoin dominance increasing when the market is actually dumping. We want Altseason to happen, and since we want Altseason to happen, guys, we need Bitcoin dominance to do us a huge favor and just come below 39%. Now, this is the crypto unicorn index, guys. This index is showing us how many cryptocurrencies still have a market capitalization of over $1 billion, and this chart can actually tell us when the top of the market is approaching. When we start seeing that the number of cryptocurrencies that have market capitalization over 1 billion start actually increasing at a very great pace, we know that we're coming to the end of this crypto market cycle. The last time we had an all-time high on this index was on the 7th of May 2021, and that was the end of one cycle. We went on a mini bear market, and guys, when we topped in November, guess what? This index actually set another new all-time high at 135. Right now, we are currently at 97. We have 97 cryptocurrencies that have a market capitalization of over $1 billion. We'll be checking this index in the future to just gauge the sentiment in the market. Right now, the market is just, people are still undecided, but people are still in extreme fear. Guys, Altseason is not here, but we have good news for you. On the Altseason index is showing us that we're no longer in Bitcoin season and we're heading towards Altseason. When these metrics are getting to 75, right now it's at 37, you know that we're in Altseason. But we have been stuck at this Bitcoin season since February 22nd. Finally, we broke out of the range. I'm expecting price to do the same thing. You can see that price has been stuck in this region, and just like the index showing us that altcoins have started outperforming Bitcoin, I expect Bitcoin to break out above that region, and once it break out, altcoins to follow Bitcoin, and then there will be glory in the land. Glory, glory, glory. Altseason. We're expecting Altseason to come. If you are still one of those believers, don't worry, guys. Altseason is coming very soon. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification, guys, if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video, guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye.